Preview.
Hi friends, Parikshet from Gets Fun Run.
Yeah, this is gonna be a new folding surprise. Time.
Yeah, we are doing a folding for after
Yeah.
long.
So how do we start the folding surprise drawing? We fold the paper in two halves.
Yeah, we do it.
Okay. We open it. Is that how we do it?
Yeah.
And now we do it like this. Now that this is ready,
Yeah.
now to the drawing.
Yes.
It's as easy as that.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's going to be like a little bit like a 3D
We'll
drawing.
take it far. Yeah.
It's going to be like a 3D drawing. Like a 3D drawing. It's not.
We draw the hat first.
Yeah. I'm enjoying PS4.
Enjoying PS4.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah. And now we draw the hand. We'll color it later.
Okay.
Let's first do the drawing.
The hand is little difficult.
Yes, it will.
Yeah. Let me see, Papa. Okay. I've got a new game also. They say, what's it?
What's that?
You know it.
What's that?
You know it.
Tell me once again.
It is PS4. I told you it's PS4. The new game.
Okay.
The new game is PS4.
Yeah.
Yep.
Are we good till here?
No, I'm not good.
Why are you not good?
See, Papa, is it okay?
Yeah, very good. Now the next step would be to draw the rabbit
Yeah.
inside the hat.
Yep.
How do we do that?
Yeah, how do we do that? Let me show you.
Okay. Now we open it and we get ready for the folding surprise.
Yeah, first we are going to draw this part.
What part are we going to draw?
The fingers. We are
Okay.
going to draw the fingers. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done with drawing the finger. And now we draw the bunny.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a little difficult one.
Why?
Because bunny drawings are difficult. Is it not?
No.
Yes, they are. Let's start. Now,
Are you feeling this is?
I don't have a problem. The nose.
Then starting with the most difficult part.
Okay.
Papa,
Yeah.
I'm starting with the most difficult part.
No, don't. You will get confused.
No, I'm not getting confused.
Your choice. Your drawing.
I'm not so much. I will not understand only. What am I drawing? I can understand.
Okay.
It's like an angry one because he pulled him out.
Yes.
Papa,
Yes.
it's just a little difficult for you.
Yes, it is. It will be difficult for you too also, don't worry.
What?
Once you finish it up, you'll get to know why. As long as you make your bunny look like a bunny.
You're trying to make it look like a bunny.
Obviously. That is what a good
How
drawing.
it's not looking like a bunny, right, Papa?
Finish it up.
Then only I can understand. What the main cheese has to be?
Mm-hmm.
What the main cheese has to be? Good?
What does that mean?
What does the main thing has to be do good?
I don't know.
You are drawing, you will know.
No, I'm just trying to follow you.
You're not following me at all. Do not lie so much. I can see you're not following me. Papa, I don't
Yes.
think so I will be able to draw the body. Right, Papa? I made so much big eyes. I can make the body.
Can't?
No. So I will just draw the face then. I'll try to make a small face, but let's see.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
What happened?
I am done with my drawing. That is what happened. It was an easy one.
First you were saying it's difficult, now you're saying it's easy.
Yeah, but it ended up being easy because I drew it nicely and slowly. But you went into a hurry, and that is why it became difficult for you.
It didn't become difficult.
No?
No.
You're good with it now?
Yeah.
Wow. Now let's get coloring it. Should I wait for you?
So yes.
Or should I get it done?
No, you should wait. Otherwise God will punish you.
Mm-hmm.
Wait for me now.
Okay, let's wait for Parikshet. Until then, should this be a challenge time for you? If you are also drawing this with us, make sure that you share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club, and you can win some exciting goodies from us.
Yep.
Yep.
Now what should I draw? Yeah. And yeah.
I'm done.
What? Why do you make it sad?
Sad, if I will hold your hair and pick you up, how will you feel? This folding surprise is ready. Show me your surprise. Let's see.
I'm not colored.
Still, let's show it to your friends.
No. They don't look nice, Papa.
Okay, let's wait for you. Let's wait for Parikshet until he finishes up and hit his folding surprise. And then we will see what surprise he has for us.
Done.
You
Okay.
are done.
Let me show.
Okay, so let's come on. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, my God. Once again. 3, 2, 1. Wow, this was done. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Please. He's crying now. That was just a design of his body.
Okay.
Not sad.
Okay. Angry. Okay.